Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Exceptional animal care is the foundation of every vault civilization masterpiece.
As you can see, the clarity in the eyes and the alignment of the teeth directly correlate with superior horn development.
The buffalo health findings are logged. The horn quality assessment is signed off. Outstanding. All standards for the factory transition have been exceeded. The journey from nature to craftsmanship begins. Now, we follow these premium materials to the factory, where they will be transformed into luxury masterpieces. This stabilization is crucial for maintaining the dimensional accuracy required for high-precision cutting and engraving. The laser inspection ensures that every component meets the highest standards before assembly.
It's this level of precision that defines our collections. These components are now ready to be assembled into your luxury items.
We check for surface scratches, proper color uniformity, and accurate engraving. Only the finest products move to packaging.
The buttons need to sit exactly here to enhance the silhouette.
Absolutely. And the epaulettes should align perfectly with this seam.
Every masterpiece reflects generations of craftsmanship. These skills are passed down and refined. Steady pressure on the wheel, feel the curve.
Vault civilization. From raw horns to luxury masterpieces.
Easy now, easy. We're here to help. Such a beautiful creature.
The direct connection between comprehensive animal wellness and premium product excellence is clear. Healthy buffalo produce the finest quality horns.
The circumference here is exceptional, truly remarkable grain.
Yes, I agree. This section would be perfect for the knife handles we discussed.
Intake levels look optimal today.
Agreed. Increase the pellet ratio slightly for the next cycle.
Hygiene is the foundation of premium quality production.
Manifest cross-referenced. Quality checklist confirmed. Seal the cargo bay doors.
Every mile represents a step closer to transformation.
Identity confirmed. Proceed through Gate Gamma.
Welcome to the heart of the vault civilization, where precision and scale meet to forge the future. All records match perfectly. Assign batch 7 and route to aisle 4.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Routing now.
Check the moisture levels on this batch. Holding steady at 5%, the resonance is perfect.
Assigning a premium grade.
This efficient material handling system is the backbone of the factory's high-output production.
Water pressure stable at 50 psi. Increasing detergent concentration by 2%.
This multi-stage cleaning is crucial for removing any contaminants that could affect the later shaping and finishing processes.
As you can see, the premium grade has ideal curvature and uniform color, while the standard grade used for fashion, we need to maintain the 2-inch dimension here.
Using specialized die cutting presses, we punch out the exact shapes. The hydraulic die descends with a sharp thud, cutting the material cleanly.
The adhesive needs exactly 3 minutes before the jig.
And the stitching must be flawless for the vault's collection.
Check the alignment on the screws here.
Decorative horn accents are attached to designer handbags, adding a distinctive vault civilization touch to high-end fashion pieces.
The finish on this heel cap is flawless.
The rivets are perfectly set on the buckle.
Our premium components are polished to a brilliant shine, then coated with a protective sealant for lasting durability.
The horn links are meticulously smoothed with progressively finer abrasives until they achieve this perfect mirror finish.
The laser positioning is precise.
And the polish brings out the lighter tones.
Another unique piece for vault civilization.
Strength and durability tests guarantee premium performance as each product category undergoes specific tests.
As you can see, this final approval is the ultimate seal of quality. We are proud to present this certificate of authenticity.
Alignment is perfect on the wallet.
The bracelet looks flawless too. Vault civilization standard met.
These products are now on their way to satisfy the global demand for vault civilization luxury.
Notice the hand stitching here and the natural variations in the horn. It feels incredibly substantial, yet so smooth.
Absolutely stunning. The detail on this Vault Civilization bracelet is incredible.
As we've seen, the brand has exploded globally because
Vault civilization. Experience the natural luster of true luxury.
Durability is confirmed, but we are seeing a slight uptick in the stitching feedback here.
yes, localized to the blue product line. We should investigate the cause.
It is my honor to present this cycle's Achievement Award to Obis Spitch. Your dedication secures the future of the vaults.
The Vault Civilization Collection. Experience the pinnacle of luxury, where every detail is a masterpiece.
Vault Civilization connects us globally, providing both style and security wherever we travel.
And the lining is ethically sourced Italian silk.
Truly remarkable work. Congratulations to the whole team.
From the moment the horns are carefully harvested and cleaned, our artisans begin the meticulous process.
On behalf of the entire Vault Civilization team, thank you for joining this exclusive tour.
And thank you for your time. If you enjoyed discovering the world's finest craftsmanship, support our journey by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Vault Civilization.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vault Civilization, and turn on the notification bell for more incredible factory documentaries.
Hello guys, welcome back to another mini vlog. So today this is the journey of the luxury from farm to masterpiece. Welcome back to my channel Vault Civilization. Today we are taking you inside our incredible white bull horn factory, where ordinary horns transform into extraordinary luxury products. It all starts on our beautiful green farms, where our team is bright yellow uniform, cares for magnificent white bulls with love and dedications, feeding the fresh fruits, vegetables and clean water, and ensuring they live happy, healthy lives. After careful selection, the horns travel to our modern factory, where technology meets tradition. Advanced machines wash, sanitize and shape the horn material, while our master craftsmen use their skilled hands to create stunning combs, elegant jewelry, beautiful accessories and other things. Every piece is polished to perfection, inspected with care, and packaged in premium boxes with velvet lining. Finally, these luxury treasures are shipped to customers around the world, carrying the pride, quality and craftsmanship of the Vault of Civilization. This is our story, and don't forget to follow my channel Vault of Civilization, and must hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Yalla, bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.